Meaning of humanist.
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 Humanist. The term humanist refers to a person who is interested in the study of human culture and achievements, particularly those related to the Renaissance period. Humanism emphasizes the potential value and goodness of human beings, as well as their ability to reason and think critically. Practitioners of humanism promote education and the arts, and advocate for ethical and compassionate treatment of all individuals. They reject religious dogma and supernatural beliefs in favor of a rational and evidence-based approach to understanding the world and human existence. Overall, humanism celebrates and values humanity and its capabilities.